Want to browse the internet on your Android phone without leaving a trace? Today, I'm going to show you how to use incognito mode in Chrome, so your browsing history and cookies stay private. Let's dive in. First, locate the Chrome app on your Android device. It's the one with the colorful circle icon. Tap on the Chrome icon to open the app. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the Chrome menu button. Tap on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option that says New Incognito tab. It usually has a dark icon with a spy or incognito symbol. Tap on New Incognito tab. A new window will open with a dark theme, indicating that you are now in incognito mode. You should also see the incognito mode symbol, usually a pair of sunglasses and a hat, at the top of the screen. Now you can browse the web as usual, knowing that Chrome won't save your browsing history, cookies, site data, or information entered in forms. To confirm, try clearing your browser history. You will see that your incognito session is not recorded. You can open multiple incognito tabs by repeating the steps we just went through. This allows you to browse different websites privately in separate tabs. When you're finished browsing in incognito mode, tap those 3 dots again. This time select Close Incognito tabs to completely end your private browsing session. And that's it. You're back to normal browsing mode. Using incognito mode is a quick and easy way to protect your privacy while browsing on your Android device. Remember to use it whenever you want to keep your browsing activity private.